Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge. Even though with what is happening right now on crypto industry, in the past few days, crypto industry has experiencing a fall in price. But one thing you need to understand is that Shibadoge are working greatly this time around. Not just the exchange they listed, are working to get Shibadoge on Binance. Now, I don't know why so many exchanges right now are focusing mostly on Binance. Binance have been supporting Teruna Classic, and as under small cap coins, Binance have listed already on their platform. So if Shibadoge eventually get listed, already Shibadoge is being added on Binance watch list, which I believe is a great move. Simply means Binance might anytime list Shibadoge, especially Shibadoge with a record they have recently hitting over $30 million market cap within 30 days. That was in January that they actually hit that amount. So I believe that Shibadoge developers are actually working hard. But it's not just about Binance alone. They're also working towards getting Get.io and also getting Crypto.com. Now we have L-Bank, we have Bitmart, we have Hotbit, BigX, IndoEX, a lot of them. So I believe that the developers right now are not just working towards Get.io and Crypto.com, which they started working since last year to get Shibadoge listed on this platform. And remember, L-Bank was one of them, and finally L-Bank listed Shibadoge. Right now we are talking about Binance. Now, according to one of the developers, they say they are working harder to get Shibadoge listed on the world top crypto exchange, which I know we're talking about Binance, we're talking about Coinbase. So if Shibadoge get listed on Binance, something big is going to happen, which is Shibadoge is going to gain more higher price increase, more higher market cap. I'm expecting a market cap of between $500 to $1 billion before the end of this year if Shibadoge get listed on Binance. Binance are going to help Shibadoge to grow. Binance are going to push Shibadoge to the moon. Binance is going to see Shibadoge as that new Shiba Inu. Now remember that Binance listed Shiba Inu, though they didn't list Shiba Inu earlier, but yet Shiba Inu also increased massively after Binance listed Shiba Inu. Now, Shibadoge is a great coin. Right now, I mean, imagine coin with about 15, 16 zeros, and people already pumping over $30 million within 30 days. These are one of the things exchanges are looking at, that this shows this coin, people really want to buy this coin, people really want to store this coin, and they're there for business. Okay, so I believe Binance now, especially now that the developers are working hard to get Shibadoge on Binance. Not just about Binance, remember last year Ethereum World also purchased Shibadoge worth of about $7 million. So these are things that exchanges look at. If we list this coin right now, who are the people that will be getting interested to buy this coin? So they believe if they list Shibadoge, so many crypto billionaires that might be coming in to buy this coin on Binance, and of course Binance will be having a successful business. So I believe listing Shibadoge on Binance is already getting possible since the developers are already working. I believe very soon Binance will definitely list Shibadoge token. I know it's not going to be easy, but we are going to arrive there very soon. I believe that. But please remember, if you want to buy Shibadoge, buy what you can afford to lose. And also know that this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. For Shibadoge, I will advise you buy some Shibadoge coins, then store them. Eventually, if Binance lists this coin, Shibadoge is going to rise. Shibadoge is going to dominate the social media, it's going to dominate the news, it's going to dominate major blogs. So for me, Shibadoge is one of the best coins. Despite crypto coins going down, Shibadoge still maintain high level price increase. Since then, Shibadoge just lost a little from this crypto crash. So it's a good thing to see Shibadoge not dropping back to where it was before. So I believe that Shibadoge, if we give this coin opportunity, and if Binance lists this coin is definitely going to rise. And I believe Binance or Coinbase, I believe they will list Shibadoge very soon, and that is what I know, because this coin is going to pump. Some other exchanges are already getting interested on Shibadoge, and they're already working. Very soon you'll be hearing top exchanges that have listed Shibadoge. This year alone, Shibadoge have already gained about 2 exchanges that have listed this coin, and I'm happy to see that. So let's keep hoping that Shibadoge will eventually become one of the top crypto coins. Once again, remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.